So we done this, and I can move here and concat multiple CSV file, multiple word search CSV files. This is seriously amazing topic actually. Just wait and see. I'm shorting in another 2 minutes. Let's pull the file. We done this. We even done this actually. Am I right? Okay. Daniel, please give me a small recap. Sure. I need data set also, I guess. Cell 7. Then close this folder. Now the environment is ready. Good. Boss, there is a file. So when you join in a project, you will get a file actually. From that file, always we need to create a data frame. Always we need to create data frame. Yeah, Daniel. Imagine the data frame having column 1, column 2, column 3. If the first column having kind of some integer data, I would like to say numbers. What exactly? Numbers. Then you can apply arithmetic operations. What operations? Arithmetic. Arithmetic operations you can apply. Yeah. Arithmetic operations you can apply. Imagine if the column 2, imagine it what exactly mean? Column 2. Column 2. Column 2 having string data. Can somebody help me? What data? String data, kind of some characters actually. Characters. I mean to say object. Then what exactly we can apply, Sarji? We can apply string related operation. What operation? String related operations. Now let's stop shortcuts. String related operations. Okay. Conclusion of the story. Based on the data type, operations are different. If it is a number, arithmetic operation. Anna, if it is a string, we cannot apply arithmetic operations. Please make a note actually. So the point will be column number 3 having date related value. Can somebody tell me date related what exactly mean? Value. Then it is not a arithmetic operations. It is not a string operations. It is date related operations. What operations? First of all, are you clear? Good. Then now, yeah, date related operations. What all operations I am going to cover you today? Repeating again. So please, my recap is always beautiful. I will explain what I covered previously. Imagine there is a file. It's okay, Daniel. From the file, we know very well how to create a data frame. When I say data frame having columns. Data frame having what, madam? I mean to say column 1, column 2, column 3. As of now, I have taken 3 columns. Right? If it is a first one is a numbers, a kind of some numerical data, then you can apply numerical operations, which is so-called as arithmetic, addition, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication. These are all things we can do. But Daniel, characters, kind of some object actually. String related operations. What operations, boss? String related. But the column 3 having, it's not a number, it's not a string data, it is date related value. Then what we need to apply, you need to apply date related operations. What operation? You are clear, I guess. Right. Let me give a small recap last week what I covered actually. Okay. Daniel, we are very clear. This is so-called as a recap. Recap actually. Yeah, boss. What we done is, there is a data set, yeah, file. What is the file name? Sales 7 dates, yes. I guess. Am I right? Yeah, sales 7 underscore dates. You should remember the data set actually. Good. From this, we created a data frame. Chappan sir, from this we created a
data frame.
But let me tell you, pandas. So, this one is a very sad thing is, very sad. What is that sad, Pandas will not recognize, what exactly mean? Recognize date related values. Date related what exactly mean? Values. By default, it will consider the data type as a chaptara object. What exactly? But frankly speaking, it is not an object. Then what we need to do? What is the happiest thing? We need to convert. Chappan sir, we need to convert from object to chaptara date time data type. That's what you need to be understand. Hey Daniel, how many ways? Chaptara, how many ways? Yeah, there are 2 ways. There are how many ways, man? 2 ways actually. 2 ways. So the first one, can somebody tell me? While loading the file, loading the what exactly, man? File. The next one will be after file loaded. After loaded the file. After loaded what exactly? File. Also called as a after data frame created. After data frame created. Overall missed on Friday session. Trust me, you missed a lot. మీరు చాలా మిస్ అయ్యారు. సో డెఫినెట్లీ యూనిట్ రివిజన్. మీకు ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రీవియస్ సెషన్ వస్తేనే ఈ టాపిక్ వస్తుంది. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ యూ. ప్లీజ్ బి రెగ్యులర్ యాక్చువల్. ఓన్లీ వన్ వే. కెన్ యూ టెల్ మీ వాట్ ఇస్ దట్? పార్స్ అండర్స్కోర్ డేట్స్. చెప్పండి సార్. Parse underscore dates, keyword argument actual, KWRGS, keyword arguments, and read underscore CSV function. Hello man, here there are 2 ways again. Here there are how many ways? 2 ways actually. What is the first one? Any idea? Very good boss. 2 underscore date time function. This is seriously awesome. The next one will be as type method. What method? As type method. That's what we method from series class. What class, man? So seems to be the total 1 hour session, maybe 1 hour session. I give in just a small 2 to 3 minutes recap actually. Now we are going to start. Clear, sir? Move on. How is the weekend actually? Weekend ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಾಗಿಂದು? Biryani? Amare? Good, good. How many of you will eat only vegetarian? Raise your hand. Vegetarian ಮಾತ್ರ ತಿನ್ನುವವರು ಅವರು? Only vegetarian? Good, sir. Okay, good. Nice. Just I'm asking. Just asking. Please don't misunderstand me. Okay. Let me take a control. So first I can move on, and first I will explain previous example. Then we can move on with the next example. This example I already covered. So move on. Let's open. Notepad plus I didn't cover, I guess, right? Okay. Deleted. Come on, Sajay. Do you want to work with pandas? Then always import pandas. Pandas as PD. Okay. Then I'm planning to create a data frame by using dictionary. By using what exactly, man? Dictionary. Yeah. Dictionary. Oh, yo. Prepare a dictionary. From this dictionary, let's create a data frame. PD dot what exactly mean? Data frame. And yeah, I would like to say data frame is ready. What is ready, sir? Data frame is ready. Demo. Yeah. Hold on. Sure. You can go to the desktop and go to the coding and can somebody help me? Data. Nice. Good. If it is data frame, always first we need to apply some basic operations. I wanted to see only name of the columns. How to see? Columns attribute. I wanted to know number of rows and columns. Shape attribute. Very nice. Let's apply those first actually. First always look at the data frame and you have to feel comfortable. Oh, I already know this kind of, I wanted to print only name of the columns. Can somebody help me? Columns attribute. Very good. So the first one is called as a columns attribute. Yeah. Columns attribute, which is written in index actually. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now I wanted to know number of rows and columns actually. You need to call shape attribute. What attribute? Like this, if it is data frame, you should know some basic operations actually. Yeah. 3 rows and 4 Columns actually, nice. I wanted to know data frame information. How to know? df1 dot info method. Info method we have to write directly. No need to write inside print. If you have written, you will get as a none. You will get as what, Sarji? This number and this number should be matched. It means to say that no missing value. Chapman sir, we are good to go. Can I continue? Yeah, fine. So I hope you already know these are all. But anyway, applying these basic operations is not our main motto. If you closely observe the data seems to be, first of all, the column name having date word. The column name having what word actually? Date and timestamp word actually. Yeah, this is integer. You can apply arithmetic operation. This is string. You can apply string related operation. This is date. But by default, pandas will consider object, right? Now what we need to do? We need to convert this one into date time. Chapter sir. Daniel, how to do actually? Very simple. Then you need to call a function. Function name is a date and time. Yeah. So please observe. There is one important point here actually. What is that important point? You know, boss? Left hand side, if you are able to see this kind of syntax, adding a column. When you are adding a column, remember 2 points. First point, if column name is a new column will be added at last. If column name is new column will be added last. If column name is already existing, old value will be replaced with. That's it. That's it actually, trust me. Till last today's session, I will repeat the same point. Like a return keyword, how much important, I used to highlight. Function calling, how much important. Method calling, how much important. This point I will highlight always actually. Why? Because during interview they will ask. Adutare ee point. Okay? Are you clear, Sachi? Move on. We have converted. One more point.